It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, day 3, I'm using the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced. I've never used this in a tutorial on my channel before, but today is the day. They sent this to me a while ago, and it's a beautiful palette. So I'm starting off with the shade Fancy That. It is a perfect transition color. It's on the neutral side, leaning towards the cool tone side. I know it's coming up a little bit warm on the camera, not sure why, but really this is more cool toned, like a cool tone transition color. So I'm just putting that in the crease, blending it back and forth, nothing new here. And then I'm going into a more warmer toned light beigey brown. This one is called It's Cashmere, and I'm putting that in the crease, but then I'm starting my halo effect, putting it in the outer V and in the inner corner. As you can see, just like starting out that like halo effect, getting that going, you know. And then I'm going into that darker burgundy brown. That one is called Oh That's Rich. And I'm putting that in the outer V, in the crease, and then also in the inner corners. Just so you guys know, I like to share a ton of things with you guys. I just got back from a birthday party. It's the holidays. I am super tired. It's 10 o'clock when I'm doing this. I drank some Prosecco before this, so if I sound a little crazy, guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm enjoying this time with you, and I've enjoyed day 1 and 2, and I'm so excited for this one, day 3, like a wearable halo look. So here I'm taking my favorite concealer, the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, putting that right in the middle of my eyelid, and blending it out with my finger so it's not chunky and gross. You know how it is. And then I'm going to go into Highly Selective. That's how you should be when you're picking your men. Highly selective, you know? I'm putting that right in the middle, right on top of the concealer. I love this color. I think it was gorgeous. And just taking my finger, putting that right in there, you know, doing my thing. And then, of course, blending that out with the matte shade, Oh That's Rich, just so there weren't any harsh lines. I picked up Don't Care At All. That's what the shade is called. And I just wanted to add a little extra pop. So I put that in the middle of my lid, right on top of Highly Selective. Like, not a ton, just a little bit to add a little extra pop. And I really like the way it turned out. I can't complain. So I put that right in the middle, and then we're gonna move on to concealer. My favorite part, you guys already know, cleans up my eyeshadow wedge, well, erases my dark circles. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Too Faced knows about the brow bone highlights. They always include a nice brow bone highlight. In this palette, it's called It's Designer. Put that right underneath my eyebrow, blended out my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to set my concealer with the usual Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And then I'm taking Oh That's Rich and lining my outer third. And then I'm going to blend my outer third, well, I'm going to blend my whole lower lash line out with Fancy That and It's Cashmere, a mixture. And that's what I'm doing here, blending it all out. And then we're going to go into mascara. This one by Essence is more like a voluminous rather than the length one that I always use. So I've been using this one recently. I really like it. And then I also hit my bottom lashes. And then that's it. The look is done. This is such a wearable, everyday halo look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Day 1 and day 2 will be linked down below. I hope you guys enjoy the series. I will see you tomorrow, day 4. Huge giveaway happening. Thank you guys so much for watching again. See you next time. Bye.